Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, ladies, today I would like to take your crochet skills to the next level with this game-changing three-way braid method. Yes, in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your crochet game to mastering this versatile and easy to learn technique. Yes, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced crocheter, this three-way braid method will open up a world of possibilities for you. Watch now and start doing crochet braids like a pro. So, as you can see here, I've already started moisturizing and hydrating my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter, ladies, it is packed with 100% organic hair growth oils to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, black seed oil, carrot oil, just to name a few of the oils that are packed in this hair growth butter. We also have our hair growth oil. Our prices are very affordable. You can tap the link in the description below to place your order today. As you can see, once I use this G&G hair growth butter, you can see the difference in how well her hair looks, hydrated and moisturized. You can definitely tell the difference between the hair that is moisturized and hydrated and the other part of her hair that does not yet have hair growth butter or hair growth oil on it. This is a must try. Yes, it is the truth, and we have been getting nothing but great positive reviews from our hair growth butter. So get your order in today. So again, ladies, in this video, I am bringing you my new three-way braid method. Yes, crochet styles can sometimes feel repetitive and boring. The lack of variety of braid patterns can also make it hard to create something truly unique. The three-way braid method is a versatile technique that can be used to create a wide range of hairstyles. This method gives you a much more versatility, ladies. Yes, it gives you versatile styles that you can style your hair in. Continue to keep watching to learn how I do this step-by-step process, and by the end of this video, I am guaranteeing you that you will be able to repeat this technique so that you yourself can wear beautiful, versatile styles. Again, as you can see, I just showed our G&G hair growth butter. Again, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughters. Yes, this product was produced by myself and my granddaughter. So again, the three-way method is a versatile technique, and it can be used to create a wide range of styles. This method gives you lots of versatility again, and it is truly stunning, ladies. This intricate braid design adds texture and a visual attraction. The three-way braid method can be used to create a variety of hairstyles, such as a left side part, a right side part, and also a middle part, ladies. Yes, so this is the versatility that you can gain when you use this method. You do not have to be stuck with wearing your hair in one particular style. So again, ladies, continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful braid pattern in this braid style. It is going to be absolutely stunning. Continue to keep watching, and I'll be back with more tips and tricks on how to create this braid pattern in this beautiful crochet style. ladies, so as you can see here, I am now connecting the braids together. So the braids that I braided going to the back, I made a short part because she doesn't want her part to come all the way to the back. So I am now connecting these braids together, and this is what's going to give her the 3 part. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and that way this is going to give her that 3-way braid part pattern that I'm talking about. That this again is going to give her the versatility that she needs and that she wants, so that she can be able to wear this one style into many different styles. Yes, ladies, the 3-way braid method is super amazing. That's all I can say about it. It's amazing. The braid design can be customized to fit your personal style. You can choose the style that reflects your personality. When you see the finished project, you'll be amazed at how the 3-way braid method can transform a simple crochet hairstyle into a work of art. The braid design adds a level of sophistication and elegance to your hairstyle, making it a perfect wear for either a special occasion or just a casual event. So again, as you can see here, ladies, now that I have braided those 2 braids together, I am just using my crochet latch hook to pull those braids underneath the braid that I just braided across from ear to ear. This, ladies, is going to give her a flat look. Yes, ladies, you want your crochet styles to be as flat as possible. You don't want it to be bulky. You don't want it to be lumpy or bumpy. And this pattern right here, ladies, it prevents all that. No lumps, no bumps or anything at the top of your head. So if you have not tried this braid pattern, this 3-way braid method, ladies, you need to try it. Stylish, you need to try it. I'm telling you, it is a game changer. This is the way to achieve a flawless crochet style every single time, regardless to whether the client has short hair, thin hair, long hair, thick hair. I'm telling you, this is the perfect braid pattern. So again, continue to keep watching, and I will continue to keep coming back and giving you more tips and tricks as I create this braid pattern and I create this amazing crochet hairstyle. It's going to be beautiful. Continue to keep watching to the end, ladies. You do not want to miss any parts of this video. yes, ladies, here is what I love to do, and I love making people feel good about themselves. This is why I just love what I do. Yes, and as you can see, this braid pattern is complete. My three-way braid method is complete, and I have started what? Crocheting. Yes, ladies, today I am doing the passion twist. These are the Yankee small passion twists. And yes, ladies, this style only took 1 hour and 40 minutes from beginning to end. So again, not only is this three-way braid method so versatile where you'll be able to wear so many different styles, but it's also very fast. It's not really time consuming. It doesn't take a lot of time. And again, look, this is the three-way part. I am showing you exactly where these 3 parts are going to be. Again, she's going to be able to wear a left side part, a right side part, and a middle part. Another tip, ladies, please notice how I am going through her braid and not underneath her braid. This is super important when you are doing crochets. You do not want to go all the way underneath the braid. This can sometimes cause damage and hair loss to your client's hair or to your own hair. And you do not want that, ladies. You want to go through that braid so that the crochet is on top of the braid. That way when your client is doing versatile styles like moving their hair from the left side to the right side, doing half up, half down styles, they are not pulling their hair from the root. They are just moving the hair around. And again, oh, look, these passion twists are only $8.99. She did purchase this at the local beauty supply in her area, and we are in Northern California. So yes, these passion twists were very affordable, only $8.99. Yes, ladies, this is an $8.99 style that only took 1 hour and 40 minutes. Not only is it versatile, but it's very healthy. Not only is it healthy, but it is also very easy to do, and it is very fast. So again, I love working with this hair. It was very easy to work with. It didn't shed, it didn't get tangled, it didn't mat up or anything. And I love how flat this is coming out, ladies. Again, stylists. And if you are doing some DIYs, if you have not tried this braid pattern, you definitely need to try it. It is absolutely amazing, absolutely awesome. So yes, ladies, again, when using this three-way braid pattern, it's a versatile technique that can create a wide range of hairstyles. Yes, this method gives you so much versatility, ladies. I am just so proud of this method that I've created and that I do with most of my clients, especially when they want to have versatile styles. This three-way braid method is a powerful tool that can elevate your crochet braid game and take your skills to the next level. By mastering this technique, you'll be able to create complex and beautiful hairstyles that will impress anyone. When using this three-way braid method, you'll be proud to show it off. You'll be proud to show off your finished hairstyle, and you'll love the feeling of the accomplishment that comes with creating something beautiful and unique. So yes, ladies, I'm just going to continue to keep crocheting, filling this in, making it look full, as well as it being flat. There will be no humps and no lumps. And again, yes, ladies, that's what you want. You want your style to be as flat as possible. So again, I'm going to continue to keep crocheting. Don't forget that important tip, and don't go crocheting underneath the entire braid. Just go through the top of the braid, so that way the crochets sit on top of the braid, and that again makes it easy to be versatile, meaning easy for the crochets to shift from side to side or from front to back. And that's what you want, ladies. You want your crochets to be well versatile and flexible. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. Please subscribe to my channel give me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single week. And don't forget to tap that link in the description to our website so that you can get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter. And oh my gosh, look ladies, look how beautiful this style came out. Look how gorgeous it looks. Look how natural it looks. Again, I'm going to show you the versatility, how she's able to bring it to the back. She's going to be able to wear a half up, half down. She's going to be able to wear that left side part, or right side part, or that middle part. Oh my gosh, ladies, look how gorgeous this looks. Look how full it is. Look how flat it is at the top. There is that middle part, there is that left side part, and she's also going to be able to wear that right side part. And look how beautiful this came out, ladies. I am so thrilled and so happy to share this method with you. Again, if you haven't tried it, please try it. Thanks for watching T's Braids and Weaves, West Coast finest hair and dance. Stay safe and stay blessed.